I welcome you for the session of development of surfaces. Today we are going to discuss about the development of rectangle surfaces, especially how the rectangle surface will be different from other normal prisms, right? The square will be an equal size, but rectangle will be a different side of size, right? So the projection is now how it has to be vary. Without a section, I am going to draw how the surface will be look when we remove the joints from one each other. So normally it is depending upon the one surface to another surface, right? So how it has to be differs from when compared to others has to be discussed here. So I like to directly move to a solid software where we can able to understand the clear grasp. The question is nothing but draw the development of regular prism, rectangular prism with a base of 25 into 35 mm size and axis mm is 55 longer, having a longer edge of the base parallel to VP, right? So longer edges parallel means we have to make the 35 mm as a straight line which is parallel to VP like this. So I have to draw this one as 35 mm. Then another one is 25 mm. From here I have to draw is 35 mm and I have to close this with this is how the prism looks like, right? So this will be a in bracket it will be is 1 because the backside we cannot able to see, right? That will be 1 and this is B in bracket it will be 2 and this one is C in bracket it will be 3 and this one is D in bracket it will be 4. So when I look from the top view, right, this will be a top view. Similarly I have to draw a thin line which is nothing but a trace line in a black color. So from this point I have to draw till here. Similarly from B to C through from C to join here place. So I am like to draw with red color with a dimension of 50, right? So from this point, the height has been given as 55 mm long. So I have to draw height of 55 mm and again I have to draw here. Then I have to draw this one. So I have to connect these inter surfaces. So as I said earlier, right, the midpoint has to be drawn right. So from this point, we have to draw the midpoint surfaces. This is nothing but an axis surface. So the axis surface has to be drawn like this. So the axis should be at minimum distance, right? The axis line has to be given drawn. This is the axis. So similarly, I have to mark this. This will be your 1 dash, and this will be your 2 dash. And in bracket we cannot able to see 3, so it will be a 3 dash, and in here it will be a 4 dash. So I have to mention like this. Similarly, we have to draw this one. I have to make this one is where we can able to see a dash, but we can't able to see D dash. Similarly, in this point we can able to see B dash, but we cannot able to see C dash. So normally the base has to be, as I said earlier, right? So we have to draw a line which is similar to height of 35 mm. So then I have to draw a section. So I have to draw some endless lines. So the first part when we get the first part is A to B is normally a 35 mm, right? So I have to draw 35 mm. Similarly, then it is B to C is 25 mm. I have to draw 25 mm. So for clear understanding, I have to draw two parallel lines to cut the surfaces, right? So I have drawn 2 lines. So I am going to use this trim option to remove the excess surfaces because for clear understanding, we can able to see, right? So from this point, it is 25 mm at 0 degree. Then again is 35 mm at 0 degree, and again is 25 mm at 0 degree. Then the line has to be drawn till to the top to join the surfaces. So I am removing the excess surfaces. Similarly, I have to draw the development like this. Similarly, from 25 mm, it will be like this. Similarly, when the object is spreaded, this prism will look like this. So by the naming itself, you can able to understand this point is 1, this point is 2, this point is 3, this point is 4. Again, it has closes with the point of 1. Similarly, this point is A, this point is B, this point is A, this point is B, This point is C, this point is D. Again, the point will be A. So this is how the lateral surfaces to do. For clear understanding the dimensions, you can use the smart dimensions surfaces. When you click that, it will shows the exact distance, right? So similarly, it will shows the exact distance. The height will be shown represent like this, and the side will be represent like this. Similarly, the total length of this line also we can be say that total line dimension is 120, and when you see this is 55. This is how the simple projection of an square rectangle prism has to be drawn. Hope everybody is understood. I would like to catch up in the next video. Till that, signing up by Sambasam, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering at SNS College of Technology.